called Entin. I work for Google at BigQuery. Google BigQuery is a scalable data warehouse in the cloud. I know Alexei for a very long time, and I talked at Scale by the Bay 3 years ago about BigQuery, and this time I came to talk about just spatial analysis, not specific to BigQuery. The thing I wanted to talk about is just introduce geospatial analysis to data practitioners, because what I learned after implementing geospatial support for BigQuery and talking to customers, seeing questions, is a lot of people are just scared of geospatial data. I think that's something that requires PhD or like very specialized tools. They don't know how to do it. So I try to introduce that in a light way, that people shouldn't be scared, that just data like any other data that they use on a daily basis, and they should use it more. Everything I do is about scale, because the reason BigQuery exists is it's scalable and it's very reliable data warehouse. It can process petabytes of data, and I previously worked on distributed execution and dynamic query adaptation, and recently I worked on geospatial, but it's also we implemented it in a way that supports BigQuery data mounts and scales with the data. I enjoyed a lot of data platforms talks from Databricks, from I forgot the name of PhD student who implemented optimization for Python and Scala, that implemented generic optimizer that pipelines query execution. A lot of interesting talk from data practitioners like Spotify, who talk about how they use data, and that was very interesting for me as I'm building a platform for those guys. Like what I'm doing, I think we'll just hope to continue doing it, and we'll dig more into the Spatial World. It was an interesting discovery for me. I never worked on it, and I'm looking to more work in that area. The favorite part is the people who present here and people who come to listen. Those are real practitioners who implemented stuff, who created open source libraries or commercial products that are used by other people, and that is very practical engineering conference. There is very little marketing talk here. That makes Scale by the Bay my favorite conference.
Cool. Easy as that.